Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday, January 16th. It's 18 degrees outside and it's 7:50 a.m. So today we got a late start. We have our deck crew that's already on the site and our fence crew that's on the site. So we don't have much going on today. I only have 2 appointments and we're probably going to check up on those sites. And right now, first thing I'm going to go do is meet my marketer. We're going to square away some things here in a few at Panera, and then I'm gonna meet with my accountant to pick up payroll checks, and from there we're gonna go to our first appointment. So we just got done with my marketer Michael from Haibu, and he just does a great job. He's been helping my business out a lot, and we also picked up my checks from my accountant, and now we're going to my first appointment here in Martinsburg, West Virginia. But I'll let you guys know how it went. The deck quote we just got done, and he just wants that deck right there. He wants that deck resurfaced. We had to replace the decking and add some fascia to it as well. My next appointment's like at 11, I think, so 11 or 10 I believe, but I had to take some stuff to my deck guys. I'm gonna see if my dad's at the yard so I can help him load it. Let me give him a quick call. My dad's not answering, so I'm gonna turn around and go get my truck.
Your call has been forwarded to voice.
I'm gonna turn around and go get my truck. That way, if he doesn't answer, I can haul the trailer over there. The guys only need like three 16-foot posts, some 4x4s, and then some concrete. You know, guys, I came all the way to the house. I thought my black truck was here, but we actually left it at the shop yesterday. So we brought the Tesla, and I totally forgot. The guys are working just around this corner right here. Damn, look at them. They're almost done nailing that whole side right there.
The new year brings new help.
We have a vinyl delivery that just got here. Let's check out the cold start on the Ford. What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Not too bad. It's too cold.
Uh-huh.
It's too cold.
Oh, absolutely. Man, I came up here, I said, oh man, they got enough turning room. See if I can make it up this hill.
Oh yeah, we have tractor trailers turn around.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is nice. I appreciate that, man.
No problem, man.
Down there.
Alright, let's check out this cold start. It's 20 degrees out, so it's a pretty cold start. Turn the heater on because it is freezing, man. Get my Sons McQueen and little Mater. Woo! Almost slipped. Man. I'm so happy I wore my overalls because it is freezing out here. Oh, come on. I hope this thing turns on. There it is. Let's connect the 20-foot trailer. We'll load that up and we'll be out of here. Right on the money the first time. unload this trash I left on here yesterday. I should have unloaded it yesterday. My own rule, always leave the trailer ready for when you need them. But I didn't even follow it, so. All right, let's put these posts set up at the bottom and let's load up that wood. Time to strap it down. All right, so we're here at the deck site, and my quote appointment is actually across the street, so that worked out perfect. Let me go measure this off really fast, and then I'll go to the guy's job. ¿Te ayudo?
¿Quieres ser el estado del mes?
Ah, Lupe, ¿para qué me haces pisar ante el vecino, man? ¿Para qué me haces pisar ante el vecino?
No, ¿qué compa?
A la madre, está alto, man.
No, mames.
A la madre.
Para subir esas mierdas, sí.
A la madre, tengo miedo.
Ayer. Oh. No me acordaba de eso, pero mira, safety first también es.
That deck is high. Alright, let's check the deck out. The framing out at least. Es una torre esto, man. Damn. Oh, quieren brace abajo. ¿O quieren braceado?
¿Sabes lo que te iba a decir?
Me pidieron los de aquí, de las orillas. Estos no me los pidieron. Nomás el A-brace abajo.
Aquí vamos a estar.
Ahora pues, ahí nos vemos. Alright, so I don't have any more appointments today. It's 11:17. So I'm just gonna go to the fence job, take this trailer to the office, and that should be it. Otherwise, I'll be stuck doing paperwork the rest of the day. All right, so that's our deck job right there, and it's 11:18. I don't have any more appointments today, so I'll probably just go to the yard and leave this trailer and do some paperwork, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. If I do anything else, I'll start recording, but if not, I'll see you guys on the next one.